Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Leo's there going crazy. It must be a lizard or something in there. He found something, or he thinks he did. Today we're doing a couple of glue jobs. This is Leo's chair. And how these are built is just, this stuff is just inset and then just poured around it somehow. But this one came off. I don't know what this is. This is marble or what it is. It is heavy. But the cool thing, this one, it's got the guy's notepad on there. And it's transferred onto this side. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's a rat, Leo, it's a rat! Oh, there he goes, Leo, look! Okay, well that was interesting. We have a rat. Leo, you're not going to find him. He's up in the roof now. So we're using contact cement. I fixed a table like this, but like we have 4 chairs on the table all made this way. And the piece came out of the table a couple years ago. And I put it back with 2-part epoxy. But I put too much. And then now you got the dirty glue line all around the edge. So I'm going to try and do a better job this time. I'm using contact cement, which is always fun stuff to work with. But it does work. So I'm not going to put any on the edges. Try not to. Stuff is real thick. Gotta do both. Oh, both parts obviously. Like I say, try not to put too much. Okay, Lily, that's enough. You found him, but he got away. That happens. It's a part of hunting. Slide that right in there. Put a clamp on it. Oh, she's floating. Try that. Oh, a little bit came out. We have oozing. A little bit there. It is what it is, what it is, you know what I'm saying? All you can do is do the best you can. Wow, it's more coming out over here. Okay, we'll leave that one alone. You see that? How much it came out? Nothing happened except glue oozed out. The next job is my table. This will probably be the next video after this one, is building this table. I'm going to put rubber on here, this away. It's way oversized. I'll put one piece here and one piece down here. I'll paint the other one as well. The good thing with contact cement, you don't have to rush it because you don't want to be rushed. This is a motorbike inner tube, a tire tube. That's what it is. Don't fall down. Leo's still looking for the rat outside now. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He ran up the wire to the roof. And now he's hiding underneath the insulation, which is very nice. New job. Rat hunter. Well, that's it for that paintbrush, I think. Buy these cheap paintbrushes. They only cost 40 or 50 cents each. 4 jobs like this. Okay. What are we looking at here? Just my arm was per normal, I guess. Need something to put on there. Heavy. This one goes up here, and I'll just trim them off afterwards. But I need them to stay. A rubber band would work good on that. Come on. There we go, that'll work. Okay, I brought a lot of them. Those. Now we need something heavy and flat to sit on this one. Those two. Out to the scrap pile we go, we go. That'll work. Nope. There. Now we wait. I'll probably let this sit overnight. It's amazing the glue is still oozing out, huh? On this one. I'm probably gonna have to cut that off now. Look at that. Good old contact cement. Been around forever, that stuff. Leo. Alright guys, well there it is. Nice easy job in the afternoon. Like I said, I think I'll give this overnight. Make sure it's nice and dry. I'll trim off the rubber on the tire and I'll finish that video. So that'll probably be the next video on this channel. And get Leo back his chair. He's not going to be impressed with no chair. But I'll sit in somebody else's chair, huh, Leo? Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.